So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to find the key that you're having a problem with. So for example, let's just say I'm going to go with this one right here, just a random one. Now you want to right click on the key that you're having a problem with and then click on permissions. And then once you're on this, you want to click on add. Now you're going to type in your username right here. If you don't know what your username is, then you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that and then click on Users. It's now going to be showing your username right here. My one is Speedy Tutorials. Now once you find out what your username is, you're going to minimize this. Now you just want to type in your username in the box. For me, it's going to be Speedy Tutorials. Now you're going to click on Check Names, which is now going to underline your username. Now you're going to click on OK, which should now add it right here. Now once you've done that, for the next step, you're going to click on Advanced. Now once this comes up, you're going to click on Change. Now you're going to type in your username in this box again. Now you're going to click on Check Names, which is now going to underline your username. And then click on OK, which will now make it appear right here. Now you're going to click on your username right here, and then click on Replace Owner on some containers and objects. You want to tick this box, and then click on Apply. And now you want to double click on your username. Now once this comes up, you want to select Full Control. You want to tick this box right here. Now you want to click on OK. Now you want to click on OK again. And now you want to find your username right here. You want to click on it. Make sure you have Full Control selected as well right here. You want to click on Allow next to Full Control. Now you want to click on Apply and then click on OK. The problem should now be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, then you just want to restore your computer and then this should now fix your problem.